Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Pipedrive. This will help you keep your customer information organized and make your sales process much smoother. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Contacts. This is your central hub where all your people and companies are stored. Next, choose between people and organizations. People are individual contacts, like a buyer or decision maker, while organizations are the companies they work for. Select the option based on what you want to add. Now, at the top left of the screen, click the plus icon. This is the Quick Add button. It will open a form where you can enter your contact details. For a person, enter their name, email, and phone number. You can also link them to an existing organization. For an organization, enter the company name and other details, like website or address. Make sure your information is clear and accurate. Try to avoid duplicates and keep your data consistent. If needed, add a short note like how you met or the next step. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the contact. That's it. Now you can easily add and manage contacts in Pipedrive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.